Open the Arduino file. Let us discuss the code. We have included Arduino header file ESP8266 HTTPS header file, and ESP8266 Wi-Fi header file. Here we need to enter detail of the Wi-Fi available at our home. Here we need to put SSID to find SSID. Go to Wi-Fi setting. Here you will get exact SSID of your Wi-Fi. Now here write the password of your Wi-Fi. This is the setup function. First we initialize the serial monitor to display. Next, we will use pin mode function to declare LED pin as output pin. Next, again we will use pin mode function to declare IR pin as input pin. Now we will use function digital write to make onboard LED off. This is important function, Wi-Fi.begin. This function will connect NodeMCU with Wi-Fi. This while loop is used to wait till Wi-Fi will get connected. During waiting time it will keep printing dot on serial monitor. Then will display Wi-Fi is successfully connected. This is device ID. Here you need to paste device ID which you have received from cloud. Next is the loop function. If function is used to IR sensor code, count number of packages. Here we will check if Wi-Fi is connected. This is the cloud URL. With this line we will start HTTP connection with the cloud. Then we will add HTTP header. Here we will make the HTTP GET request to cloud. With http.getString function, HTTP GET response is received, and it will be stored in payload string. Not HTTP connection is closed. Blink LED to indicate one cycle of HTTP request. That's it. This is the code.